Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Muandu Wavinya Ndeti Niwaikiithya kana serikali yake Niyikiite Kithito Kuikiitya Enenthi Nimakwata Kitheu na cha Kwiana cha Kunywa na Kutumia hi Ngwatanio na Silikali Nene na Mivia ya Kiw'U aina na ithokete atongoi matana athi Water Works Development Agency. Ngavana Wavinya kana serikali yake niende kuseuvya mitalatala mesio ya kunenga Enenthi Kiw'U ta kuseuvya masilanga kuikiithya mavata ma Kiw'U nimeanewa Karo Monyoki ni mwandiki wetu.
Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Muandu Wavinya Ndeti ni waweta kana kaunti ya Masaku niende na Kwiana na nundu wana mbanene ya andu nonginya kukusiwa utumi mwingi wa Kiw'U vala waweta ngavana ni wiyumete undu vatonyeka kuikiithya kila mwikali wa Masaku ni wakwata Kiw'U Kitheu cha Kutumia.
We are moving in the right direction now as a county government, as we also try to do some of the water infrastructure and also doing some mini dams in Machakos County, Kana coming in. We are getting a lot of pressure in the urban areas. Nairobi is moving this way. When you come to Machakos now, there are a lot of people living in Machakos. And the sewer system that we had was collapsing. I've also come up with different municipalities. With those where we have suggested the municipalities should be, there are towns and big towns that are growing. So working in collaboration with the national government and the water bodies, at least we will ensure that our other big towns that are coming up are able to get water.
Ngavana ane na kavinani kala ya komandite na ungame kumatana the Water Works and Development Agency vala waweta kana kuisila Mivia ni wa Kiw'U no kwende ya kwithiwa na Ngwatanio na Mivia ingi ya Kiw'U ni kana kuikiithya ni wathinikia unyivu wa Kiw'U kaunti ya Masaku.
Pushing for water has been very key for me, and working in collaboration with all the other water agencies in the national government. And after that, we reticulate water to the people. We're also moving to smart meters. We want to give smart meters so that people don't pay for water that they have not taken.
Nake ofisa munene kumatana the Water Works and Development Agency Samina Poros ni waweta kana nimekwende ya kuthukuma na serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ni kana kunyai cha Kiw'U kumaslanga ni munene wa masinga tanzia imwe ya kuikiithya Kiw'U ni cha kwatikana kwa wingi kaunti ya Masaku ova mwena kaunti ya Kitui.
Phase 1 is coming to an end in December. And if that dam will not have started, then we will lose the money. And we also want it to be completed because we are also seeking money for phase 2 under the same. And phase 2 cannot begin without phase 1 being completed. We are working with the Excellency and the leaders in this particular region, especially also again the County Commissioner, because the lands falls under that particular jurisdiction, to ensure that as soon as possible we are able to restart the works. The good thing is that the contractor has assured us that once he takes up the site, then within 4 to 5 months, we should be able to complete the works of the main reservoir.
Ndili voti ya vilingi wa mauvo kumavaa musini wa Masaku ni Karo wa Monyoki.